Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the basic search on LawNet's legal research platform. The first screen you will see upon logging into LawNet is the basic search page. To get to this page from any other part of LawNet, click on the Legal Research tab in the Mega menu and then on Basic Search. From this page, you can choose to search for documents from the wide range of resources that are available on LawNet. These include cases, legislation, reference materials, and parliamentary reports. Some of these databases may not be available to users based overseas. Now let's perform our first search. The basic search box works like most other modern search engines. You can simply type in your search terms, or you can use search operators to help refine the search parameters. For example, use quotation marks if you want to search for an exact phrase. Be sure to select the specific resources that you want to include in your search, and to unselect the unwanted ones before clicking on Search. This is the search results page that you will see whenever you perform a basic search. At the top left of the page are information relating to the search you have just done. Next to this, above the list of results, there are some basic navigational tools to view the other pages of the search results, as well as a drop-down menu for sorting the results. If your search has generated too many hits, you can refine or narrow your search further using the tools on the left of the page. You can conduct a further search within these results by adding search terms, or make use of the facets to filter your results by specific criteria. First, let's refine our search by entering an additional search term. Next, in order to filter to results from one particular year, you would first have to click on the appropriate decade, and then on the new search results page, look for and click on the specific year you want. You can continue to filter your results, for example, by selecting to view cases only. All additional search terms that you have used will be updated here. All the filters that you have applied are always displayed above the list of results. You can remove search terms or filters at any time by clicking on the X next to them. When you have filtered to a particular content grouping, such as cases, the facets on the left will update to offer you additional ways to filter your results. Now let's move to the actual list of documents found in the search. Hovering your mouse over the document title can give you more details about each document, such as the court, quorum, and decision date of a case. If there are more instances of the search terms within the document, you can hover your mouse over the More here for a preview. Additionally, for each Singapore case in the list, you can see information regarding how the case has been treated. In the example here, we can see that Record TV and MediaCore TV has been referred to in 2 subsequent cases. Clicking on the annotations here will bring up a window showing the full list of these cases. Once you have identified a document you wish to read, simply click on its title to open it. This will open up the Content View page for the document. At the top of every Content View page, you will see a toolbar containing some handy tools. First, to see where the search terms appear in this document, click on the down or up arrows beside the word Hits. You can turn off or on highlighting for the hits at any time. On a Content View page, the portlets on the left show useful information relating to the case. In particular, the Related Documents portlet shows you case summaries, parallel citations, and cases in the case history. The Case References portlet shows you cases referring to this case, as well as cases referred to in this case. you can click on the hyperlinks to open up any of the cases. Similarly, you can click to go to any legislation referred to, as well as any of the hyperlinked reference materials. Finally, you can also click on any of the hyperlinks within the document text in order to open up any of these materials in the LawNet portal. We have come to the end of this video tutorial on how to use LawNet's basic search function. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.